Good morning, everyone. I'm Tripta Sharma, developer of Vedanta School, Emerging One Class. So, my dear students, how are you doing all? I hope you all are doing well. So, students, now it's time for English session. So, take out your child-centric English perfection toolkit 1 of 2 joyful C and take out your English notebook with your pencil and eraser. Yes, be quickly. And now open page number 23. So, students, in previous session, we did half part of this page, three letter I, E sound words. So, have you done practice of reading these sentences? Yes, students, very good. Keep it up. Okay, so today once again we will do a quick recap of page number 22. Okay, so you have to read this page now, right? So let's start. Yes, students, read this. It's B, B, I, E, and no. It's B in bin, B in bin. Yes. Now read this. It's F for fish, i.e. insect, and no nut. So what will it become? Yes, students, fast. It's for in fin. For in fin. Very good. Now read this. It's L, lion, i.e. insect, people, parrot. So it's L, E, P. Lip, L, ip, lip. Now next one, it's people, i.e. teacher. It's per, it, pit, per, it, pit. Now next one, this is as a sun, i.e. insect, people, parrot. So it's s, e, p, sip, 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 sip. Now read this. This is teeter, I-E, and no, it's t-e, no, in, tin, in, tin. Okay. Now next one, this is F for fish, I-E insect, G goat. So what will it become? Yes, students, fast. It's for E G. For egg, fake. For egg, fake. Now this is cake, kite, I-E insect, D duck. So it becomes K-E D kid. K-8 kid. K-8 kid. Now next one, this is an nut, I-E insect, B bat. So it becomes n-e b, n-ip, nip, n-ip, nip. Yes. Now read this. It's people, I-E, and no, it's per in pin, per in pin. Now, speak the phonic sound. W I E G G. It's for egg, wig, for egg, wig. Now this one, this is zebra, I E insect, people, parrot. So it becomes z e p, zip, 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 zip. Okay. Now read this. This is in, bin, for in, fin, lip, lip, sip, sip, in, tin, per it, pit, for egg, fig, it, kid, nip, nip, per in, pin, ver egg, wig, zip, zip. Okay, so you have to do practice on regular basis, right? Now reading with has, yes, read this. This is per it, pit, HAS, has a for egg, fig. So pit has a fig. Pit के पास क्या पड़ा है? Fig. So pit has a fig. Pit has a fig. Now read this. This is in, bin, HAS, has a lip, lip. So it's Bin has a lip. Bin has a lip. See, bin के ऊपर lip का picture है. So bin has a lip. Now, next one, this is for egg, fig, HAS, has a for in pin. Fig के ऊपर क्या है? Pin. So, that's why fig has a pin. Fig has a pin. Okay. Now, next one, whose picture is this? Yes, this is a tin. Okay, tin. And this is zip. Okay, now make the sentence with the use of has a. Yes, in tin. HAS has a zip. Tin has a zip. See, tin के ऊपर क्या है? Zip. So tin has a zip. Tin has a zip. Okay. Next one. Again, this is a picture of a zip, and this is nip. So read this. Zip. Zip. HAS has a nip. Nip. So zip has a nib. Zip has a nib. See, zip के पास क्या है? Nib. So that's why we use has. Okay. Zip has a nib. Right. Now next one. This is kid. Has a, this is wig. So WIEG, it's wig. Kid has a wig. Kid ने head के ऊपर क्या wear किया है? Wig. Okay. So kid has a wig. Kid has a wig. Okay. So students, this part we will do tomorrow. Okay, and meanwhile you have to do practice to read this page. Reading with has. Okay, try to make some sentences with the use of has a, right? And you have to read this page. Okay, so now it's writing time, so take out your English notebook. Yes, quickly take your pencil. Let's start. Write down tin. Yes, students, tin. So first sound in tin is T, T. Okay, T. Second sound I, E. And third sound N, N. So tin, T in tin. Now has, H, A, S. Has. A. Now write down zip. Zip. Yes, first sound Z, Z. Yes. Second sound I, E. Then third one people. Zip. 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 Tin has a zip. Tin has a zip. Next one. Zip has a nib. Okay, write down zip again. Z, Z. I, E. People. Zip. Zip has, H, A, S. Has a nib. So first sound N, no. Second sound I, E. Third one beaver. It's no, if, nib. Zip has a nib. Zip has a nib. Now third one, kid has a wig. So write down kid. K, kid. K, I, E, D, D. It's kid. Has, H, A, S. Has a wig. W, I, E, G, G. It's wig. Kid has a wig. Kid has a wig. Okay, students? So write down on lines. Keep in mind. Okay. So students, you have to do practice and send me your short videos while reading these sentences and send me your daily routine work. Okay students, so do practice at home. And now today's English session is over.